standard annual meteor shower.
They'll sneak in under the cover of a meteor shower. They've done it before.
Which, if any, Project Blue Book or other credible radar visual cases support this assertion.
3 days, 3 nights have been betting on it.
Scott, look! Oh, yeah. Yeah. Did I tell you? Call Gwen, tell her to get the old man down here.
Hi, Gwen. Leaving late or coming early?
No, I'm just checking on the night shift.
Oh? Must be something important, huh?
Slightly. I left my apartment keys in my desk.
Take care.
We've seen this actor agent before in multiple roles on the subject of extraterrestrials. Here's one from 1965.
Which should we take with us, the tuna fish or the egg salad?
Can you name it and any of her other contributions?
Bye.
Lovely. Gorgeous. Beautiful.
Oh, it's just an old thing I threw on.
Gwendolyn, you pretty Irish rose.
Gwendolyn, eh? The highlighting of O'Brien's given name of Welsh origin here is significant, not random. Those who can explore it in detail on the channel will be rewarded.
You are standing front row at the greatest show in human history. Oh, you're gonna circle a day on your calendar you first met me.
Oh, your modesty has always puzzled me.
Well, that's some blimp, eh, Gwendolyn?
They're putting on the brakes, friends. 15,000. 14,000.
John, listen to me. I'm gonna level with you. We have reasons to believe that an interstellar craft of considerable size landed in southeastern Nevada shortly before 2200 hours the night before last.
You're serious?
Dead serious.
Last night our radar seemed to pick up an object. It was traveling at inordinate speeds north to south. We lost it from scans somewhere in the Lake Mead area. Now, it might have been just a malfunction or one of our men seeing things near the end of his shift.
Yeah, but you don't think so.
Off the record?
I think both sides of this conversation better be off the record, John.
All right. Right afterwards, we got a call from some highway patrolman. He wanted to know whether we're doing any nuclear testing at the Nellis site. It seems his car conked out cold. Right after something like a missile roared overhead.
Where? What time?
Last night, 22:14 hours, just outside of Boulder City.
Boulder City. If I was a tourist from outer space, guess what I would find of interest in Boulder City?
Ladies and gentlemen, get your tickets from the second tower. The gentleman in the red jacket will give you information as to your guided tour to both the dam and the power plant. Please be back in 1 hour as the bus will be leaving on time for your return trip to Las Vegas. And we want you to have a good tour.
These units are 7 stories high. 30 feet you can see, and 40 feet below the generator floor level is the turbine, the rating of which is 115,000 horsepower.
Wow, this is incredible.
I love it here.